Hey guys, so before we get on to the topic of today's video, I have several updates to let you know about, and I hope I can remember everything that I wanted to tell you. So I had to go to Target yesterday to get another bottle of Primal Kitchen salad dressing because where I live, they sell Primal Kitchen at Target and they sell Chosen Foods at Walmart. While I was in there, of course, I had to go over to the makeup section and just look. And I wanted to let you know that the NYX Beetlejuice collection is now at Target. So if you weren't able to find what you wanted at Ulta, you can also get it at Target. So I wanted to let you know that. I also wanted to let you know that this shirt that I'm wearing, this red Paris shirt from Target, has been restocked. So I got the last one that was on the rack when I bought it a couple weeks ago, but I went in there and they had a whole bunch of them. So if you do like this and you thought that you weren't going to be able to get it, it's been restocked. So there's that. Okay, and then I went to CVS because I'm still on the hunt for the Nightmare Before Christmas collection by Wet n Wild, and it wasn't there, but they had put out the Halloween stuff, and I just thought this was so cute. It's a little Sally character from the movie, and it's like a plushie, and it has a hook on the top. Now, my husband bought me a Minnie Mouse when I started really getting into Disney Dreamlight Valley. He bought me a Minnie Mouse plush from CVS, and so I saw this, and I'm going to hook this right onto the Minnie Mouse. I put it on the um, rear view mirror of my car, so I'm going to hook this onto there. But it's got the tag Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas 6-inch plush clip. Now, if you don't have CVS's rewards program, you should get it because this was originally $8 and I got it for, I think I paid 5. Yeah, I paid 5 because of the coupon that I had. So, yeah, you can really save a lot of money by using their rewards program. So, I was thinking about the jack, but I didn't really like the way the jack looked, so I was really drawn to the Sally. She's such a sweetheart. If you've never seen the movie, then uh, you need to. So I had to go to, speaking of Nightmare Before Christmas, I had to go to Walmart to buy a bunch of groceries. And I was over in the electronics section and I bought the movie. So they have this at Walmart now. It's $7.50. And I think that's a very good price because I love this movie. Um, So I went to Ulta hoping that they were going to put that Nightmare Before Christmas Wet n Wild collection out early, and they did not. However, I started walking around looking at stuff, and I found something else that I've been trying to get for literally months, and that is the Essence Water Tint Lip and Cheek Tint, because I want to know if it's a dupe for the Benefit, because the Essence one is only $5. The Benefit one is 26. So yeah, huge difference in price. And if they are the same and they work the same, then why spend more for the Benefit Benetint, you know? But this is definitely a vibe because it's a very unusual and unique product. And yeah, so we're going to find out today if they are in fact the same color. Is the texture the same? Do they look the same? Do they feel the same? The whole bit. Now, one thing I can tell you right off the bat is yesterday I did a swatch on my hand of both of these, and to me, to my eyes, they did look the same. The only difference was when I removed the swatches, the Essence one did not remove completely. The Benetint one did. Now, why does that matter? Because when you put this on your lips, if you're doing it as a lip stain, you want it to last. So if the Essence one lasts longer, then that's actually a plus and makes it, in my eyes, a better product. But we shall see. So let's do them both. Okay, so on my right side, I know when you're looking at this, it's on the left, but On my right side, I'm going to use the Benefit, and on my left side, I'm going to use the Essence, okay? So the way I like to use it, it has doe foot applicator, both of them do. I'm just making sure that this isn't going to drip or anything. I just use one dot, and you have to work real quick, guys. Oh, I almost knocked it over. And I just use my fingers to rub it in. So obviously I did not have any blush on because we're doing the lip and cheek tint today. See, to me, that's like the perfect amount of stain. I wouldn't want any more than that. And then the Essence also has a doe foot applicator, and I'm just making sure that it's not going to drip. One dot. Yeah, you got to work really quick with these. Okay, so looks about the same. Yeah, to me, the color is identical. And if you look at them in the bottle, it looks the same too. Now, quantity-wise, the Benetint, you get 6 mils or 0.2 US fluid ounces. On the Essence, there it is. You get 4.9 mils or 0.16 fluid ounces. So yeah, you get less product, but it's also way, way cheaper. The U.S. fluid ounces quantity is quite similar, though. Quite similar. So I wonder how much of, I wonder if they include the weight of the bottle or just the product. I would hope they don't include the weight of the bottle. Okay, so how about the lips? How are we going to do this? Because whenever I apply lip products, they always look darker on the bottom lip, I guess because there's more surface area. So really, to get a good look at this, I think the best way to do it would be to try to go half and half on the top and bottom lip. Oh, this is going to be tough. And the Essence on the other side. They both are lightly scented, though the Benefit one is moderately scented. The Essence one is mildly scented. Hey guys, that looks identical to me. That looks, it is a dupe, you guys. It is a dupe. That is perfect. Okay, well, as much as I do enjoy this product, I can't see ever repurchasing it now that I know that the Essence one looks exactly the same on cheeks and lips. The only thing with the Essence is it's very hard to get. It's taken me months to get this because every time I went into Ulta, that slot was empty. And by the way, if you're looking for this, when you look at the Essence display in the top left-hand corner, it's the very first slot in the rack. Okay, just so that you can find it more easily. But yeah, this is a dupe for sure. I mean, look at that, especially on the bottom lip. That's where you can really see. And, you know, this is not everybody's not going to like the way this looks or the color, but on me, it looks super natural, and I think it really enhances my natural coloring. And I don't know, would red be a color that would look good on everybody? I would think so. I would think so. Um, so yeah, it's a dupe, guys. It's a dupe. So I hope I remembered to tell you everything I wanted to tell you because I had a bunch of, miscellaneous weird things that I just wanted to show you and talk about. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and looks like my eye situation is significantly better than it was, so I don't think it's going to be very long before I'm back to normal there. I still have a tiny bit of texture there and redness, but it's much, much better than it was. So that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribing. You know what to do. It helps my channel when you do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.